Hi all, today we are going to see how to apply for any IPO if you don't have UPI, if you don't have internet banking activated in your bank account, if you don't have net banking login. That process is called as e-ASBA. Basically, in this process, firstly, you have to go to the website nscindiaipo.com. I will copy this link in the description section. You have to click on the IPO in which you are interested to apply through offline mode or physical mode. So say for example, I want to apply for UTI AMC. Click on UTI Asset Management Company Limited. Once you click on any company, as you can see here, blank application form download option will be visible. So the step one is you have to click on the company in which you are interested. Second step is you have to click on bank application form download. Once you click this link, this form will open. Here you have to enter the CAPTCHA code. In this case it is 3XNR7. Select this I have read and to agree the terms and condition. Click download. Now you have to open this. You can open this by clicking on it. As you can see here, there will be two forms available. One is Form 2A, which gives the details of the IPO. What is the issue, opening date, closing date, and other details. You have to concentrate on the second form, which is UTI AMC PDF. You have to download this form. You have to manually fill your name, your bank account details, your Demat account depository Demat account number, your bid amount, number of lots you want to bid for, in which category you would be there. Generally you have to select retail, individual. For individuals, you have to enter your DPID or client ID, PAN number, bank account number, amount to be blocked. After filling this form manually, we have to submit it in the nearest bank branch. Also in this form, we will give the list of ASPA, that is application supported blocked access ASBA process supported banks. So this is the process you have to do in order to apply for IPO. If you don't have net banking, if you don't have IPO, UPI, if you don't have internet banking or debit card activated in your bank account, this is purely offline process and you have to visit the nearest bank branch. One more important tip to remember is you need not really go to the branch in which your account is there. You can go to the nearest branch. For example, if your bank account in HDFC is present in Gachibowli, you can also go to HDFC Bank present in Panchagutta if it is nearest to you, and you can submit this form in that branch. Along with this form, you need not give any DD, you need not give any check. The amount you mention in this form will be blocked in your savings bank account. Do note that you will still earn the interest that you would earn from your savings bank account because the amount is only blocked. It is not debited. If the shares are allotted to you based on the lottery process, if it is oversubscribed, then only the amount would be deducted. Else the block will be released. Thank you.